Hey you guys, I hope you're doing well. So today is Sunday and we are back at CVS for the second week of this sales ad. I am so sorry for not posting a video last week and I didn't even post anything about it. I was so overwhelmed. I was sick and then I was in the process of moving apartments. Still in Texas, but I just moved like 10 minutes closer to where my boyfriend works. So that was a really long process that took the entire week from last Friday through this Friday. And we are finally done. So I'm so excited. And all this in the back right now is my annual big donation that I do to a women's shelter. So I have so much stuff back here. I moved everything in my apartment and then last kept all the donation items. And it's more than it even looks like it's actually crazy how much is back there. I'm really excited. I'm gonna go probably Monday, probably tomorrow, and go and donate that and get that all donated and out of the way in time for the holidays. Again, very sorry for not posting last week and not posting anything about it. It was just too much, but I'm excited to be all moved and back at it, inspired in a new space. I'm still going to the same CVS location because kind of where I moved, I was like north and then the CVS was here and then I moved down here a little bit down the road to the south. So that location is still the most, it's not the closest now, but it's still the most convenient for me. And I just feel like it's the one that is the least couponed at. So I think I'm going to continue to go to that one, but I might check out my new store down here as well. I've been to the store and I really like my home CVS location. It's always so clean. It's well stocked. I just don't feel like there's very many couponers there. So love that store. I will say I feel like this week and this 2-week ad in general and the last 2-week ad, which is for the last video that I posted, are both so slow. So I'm really hoping that the next ad that starts on Sunday is just better, maybe in December. And this is technically, right, the Black Friday ad, which is so crazy. I don't know if CVS is doing Black Friday this year. Like every once in a while, in past years, they've done like a 3-day or 2-day Black Friday thing. But this is the 2-week ad that goes all the way through this week. So unsure what's going on with that. I'll have to look into that. But honestly, the CVS Black Friday deals, are never really that good. I mean, maybe like 6+ years ago they were, but like now in recent years, not really. This week is like a buy one, get one free week sort of thing. So I'm going to go over all the best deals that we have going on. We do have a really good spend 30, get 10. I will say that is really good. And I have my $5 P&G brandsaver.com OTC payment to use. I have another one. I redeemed all my receipts and got enough points for another one. So I think I'm going to use that this week on a spend 30, get 10. And I'm also going to be doing a rolling extra bucks video for my short form. I haven't posted my short form in so long, other than like I had a brand deal obligation for Amazon Music and I posted a top cash back deal. And that's literally all that I posted in the past week. So I'm really excited to get back into short form and post a rolling extra bucks video this week. And then next week with the new ad, I will really be getting into it. I am 100% going live this Saturday. I've skipped going live the past 4 weeks, and that's because I was like at my parents' house in Minnesota, going on vacation in New York City. It was that whole 2-week period was a really slow week, so I didn't go live the next one. And then these past 2 Saturdays I've been moving, so it's just been haven't had enough time and I'm really excited to get back into it. So this intro was super long. With all that being said, let's get into the video. Before we get into the video, I want to make sure that you're aware of Ana Luisa's Black Friday sale that starts Monday, November 24th. During the sale, their jewelry pieces are going to be at some of the biggest discounts of the entire year. So it's the best time to stock up and also to buy gifts for people. My oldest pieces are some of my bracelets and my earrings that I've owned for around 3 years and none of them have tarnished. I've talked about Ana Luisa many times on my channel. They're my go-to jewelry brand for really high quality pieces that are made out of good materials, very wearable pieces that you can wear with any outfit and that help elevate your looks. Head to the link in the description box down below or the pinned comments so you can save on your Ana Luisa pieces and save some money. Okay, first up we have Conair appliances. We have the curling irons that are on sale for $14.99, and then we also have some of the hair dryers on sale for $14.99, and they're going to be buy one get back a $10 extra buck, making them just $4.99. And we also have other different Conair items. Some are $19.99 giving back a $10 extra buck, some are higher prices giving back a $15 extra buck. So it is a great time to stock up on some hair appliances, some cheap hair appliances, or to give for gifts for the holidays for sure. Another great unadvertised deal is on Honest Baby Wipes. They're $4.29 at my store for the smallest packs, and they're buy one get one 50% off and buy two get back a $5 extra buck. So with my store's prices, 2 of them would be $6.43. You'd pay that, get back your $5 extra buck, making 2 of them just $1.43. If your store was sold out of the smaller packs like mine was, you can grab these bigger packs at $6.49. Two of them would be $9.73. You'd pay that, get back your $5 extra buck, and that would make two of these bigger packs just $4.73 for two. Okay, so I actually filmed this clip on Friday. I went to go pick up the trash bag deal because I needed them for moving. They are buy one, get one free for the total home products, including the trash bags. The best deal at my store were these huge pack that was $20.39. So grabbing two of those would be $20.39 with the buy one, get one free. And then if you have this 4 off 20 total home CRT, I have it on one of my 3 accounts. You can use that and it would make all two big boxes just $16.39. Otherwise, what you can do is grab 4 of the ones that are priced around like $10 or $11 and the same deal would apply. Just work with whatever pricing that your store has to get to that $20 mark to use the 4 off 20. Other items are included in the buy one, get one free, like sandwich bags, also different like tin foil, which would be great for Thanksgiving and the holidays, different plasticware, the aluminum foil, which is a really good deal, and the plastic wrap as well, like all of those kitchen things. And one thing that I'm going to pick up this week, I think, are the parchment paper because I really like to use that. And there's just a lot of different items, buy one, get one free. So check them out for which ones you need. Also, buy one, get one free on a different buy one, get one free promotion sale are the caliber tapes and the 3M tapes. So the cheapest ones are the 209 tapes. So it makes 2 of them just 209. I wanted to show you guys my receipt of the Total Home trash bags. I also threw in the Olay melts. Now this week, the $5 CRT is no longer attaching to the cheaper Olay products, but I did do this deal last week when it was attaching to the $6.69 cleanser. And then I got my 2 big packs of trash bags, used my 4 off 20 CRT, and I also did grab a Halloween candy because I love the Kinder candy. A lot of the candy and Halloween things are 75% off, so check your store for those as well. But this Total Home deal worked perfectly for me. One thing that is included in the spend 30 get 10 deal for this week that includes all the laundry products are L'Oreal facial care. So you can grab this L'Oreal toner at $8.59 and use a $5 digital coupon. So that makes it just $3.59, and being included in the spend 30 get 10 makes it such a good deal. Okay, so for the spend 30 get 10 deal, what I'm going to do is grab one of the Tide liquid detergent on sale for $12.99, one of the L'Oreal toners at $8.59, and then one of the Bounty paper towels at $12.99 as well. So these 3 items total $34.57. You can use a $3 digital for the Tide liquid, the $5 off for the L'Oreal, and then a $2 off for the Bounty. So you'd be left to pay $24.57, earning back that $10 extra buck makes all 3 items just $14.57. And if you have your PG Brand Saver $5 reward like I do, I'm going to use it on this transaction. And that would make all 3 items just $9.57. I actually think I'm going to do this spend 30 get 10 scenario instead since I need toilet paper more than I need detergent right now. So I'm going to grab this Charmin for $9.99, again the L'Oreal toner for $8.59, and the Bounty for $12.99, totaling $31.57. We have a $1 coupon 24 coupon for the Charmin, again the $5 off for the L'Oreal, and then the $2 for the Bounty. So you'd be left to pay $23.57, earning back your $10 extra buck makes all 3 items just $13.57, which is an amazing deal. And if you use your coupon, or not your coupon 24, if you use your P&G Brand Saver OTC payment from redeeming points from your P&G receipts, that would make it just $8.57 for all 3 items, which is an insane deal. I'm so excited to score all 3 of these items for that cheap. Okay, I wanted to share this Mrs. Meyer's deal that is new to this week. If your store carries the holiday edition scents, as you can see, my store does not. They do not have those. They only have the regular scents. But if you can find the holiday ones, you can grab 2 of them at $6.89 each. 2 of them would total $13.78, and we have a $5 back on 2 on Inbox Dollars. I'll have Inbox Dollars linked in the description box down below and in the pinned comment so you can get that. You do get a $5 bonus when you sign up for Inbox Dollars if you don't already have it. And then on top of that, of course, you'd earn back the $5 on 2 for the Mrs. Meyer's rebate. You can do that deal up to a limit of 2 times, so you could grab 4 if you want and you get back 10, or you can just grab 2 and you get back 5. And then you can also submit to checkout 51 for $1.45 back on each one. That's up to a limit of 5. So again, you could grab all 4 and you get back $10 on Inbox Dollars in total for buying 4 and $1.45 4 times on checkout 51. But if you do just grab 2 after the $5 back on Inbox Dollars and the $1.45 back 2 times on checkout 51, it would make your final cost for 2 of these just $5.88. That is a great deal. And these are included in the spend 30 get 10. So you could work it into a spend 30 get 10 scenario as well with like P&G laundry products or the L'Oreal toner, and it would make it extremely cheap. Okay, so the Palmolive dish soap are buy one get one 50% off and buy two get back a $2 extra buck this week. So grabbing two at $4.39 total $6.58, and we do have a $1.50 off one digital coupon. So using that, you'd pay $5.08, getting back your $2 extra buck, and that would make your final cost just $3.08 for two of these, or just $1.54 each. This Miele hair care deal is actually really, really good. It's spend 20, get back a $10 extra buck. So that's already 50% savings. You can grab one of the Edge little jars for $8.29, and then any one of the other hair products at $12.79. There's a bunch of them. Your store may be priced a little bit different than mine, but two of those items should total over $20 regardless, depending on your store's pricing. Just make sure you adjust to make sure that you are over the $20 before coupons. So grabbing those two items would total $21.08, and we do have a 5 off 2 digital coupon that is attaching to the $12.79 products and the Edge jar. So with that, you'd pay $16.08, get back your $10 extra buck, and that makes over $20 worth of Miele products, just $6.08 for both. I wanted to call out to make sure to check your hair care aisle. There's a lot of clearance. I saw Nexus is on clearance. I'm going to wait for it to get a little bit cheaper. Right now it's like 20 to 25% off, but we do have a $4 digital coupon. So if you are brand loyal to Nexus, you could do a good deal using that. The Nivea Men's Body Wash are buy two, get back a $5 extra buck at $5.99. So you can grab two of them totaling $11.98 and use a $2 digital coupon. You'd pay $9.98, get back your $5 extra buck, and that would make two bottles just $4.98 or just $2.49 each. One great deal is on Avatara Mask, and I really like this brand because it's like fragrance free and everything. These are $3.29 each at my store. They're buy two, get back a $3 extra buck. So you can grab two of them totaling $6.58. You'd pay that, get back your $3 extra buck, making two of them just $3.58. One decent deal is on the Vaseline lip care. There's different varieties included that are priced around like $3 to $4, and they're buy two, get back a $3 extra buck. These are great stocking stuffers. I know some stores carry the 2-packs that are $2.99, but my store does not. The Gillette Foamy Shave Cream are $4.19. They're buy one, get one 50% off and buy two, get back a $3 extra buck. So you can grab two totaling $6.28. You'd pay that, get back your $3 extra buck, and that would make two of them just $3.28. We do oftentimes get these cheaper. Sometimes they're even buy two, get back a $4 or buy two, get back a $5 extra buck. But if you do need this, it's a decent deal. Another item that my store is sold out of is the Biotin. They're buy one, get back a $3 extra buck. So you can grab the small bottle at $5.79. And after the $3 extra buck, it makes it just $2.79. Apparently, I really do have to shop on the first week of the ad because a lot of stuff is sold out at my store this week. Okay, one really good deal is on the Polydent. They're buy two, get back a $5 extra buck. So you can grab two of the 3-minute 30 count, the $3.99 ones, totaling $7.98. You pay that, get back your $5 extra buck, making two of them $2.98. And this is a really great product. It's not only for dentures, you guys, it's also to clean retainers. I have a retainer, so I'm definitely going to pick this up. Heads up, I know you guys love this deal. The gift card deal is back for spend $100 and you get back a $20 extra buck. You can mix and match amounts to hit that $100 and still get back the $20 extra buck. And more brands are included than what were listed in the ad, so definitely check out what is tagged at your store. You can also ask a cashier for the full list of included gift card options. There is a Zillions. It does include CVS. Just wanted to mention that because the CVS is not included, but the Zillions with CVS is included. Okay, so this was my spend 30 get 10 scenario. I did the Bounty, the Charmin, and the L'Oreal toner. My coupons came off pretty much perfectly. My coupon 24 played nicely with my digitals, and then my extra bucks came off. I used about like $14.62 in extra bucks. And then my OTC payment for the PG Brand Saver reward only took off $4.19. I think it adjusted down probably because I had so many coupons that I used coupon 24, digitals, extra bucks. It probably just was a little bit too much for it. I know that sometimes people recommend not using extra bucks using that payment, but I wanted to try it. I was okay with losing, what was that, like 80 cents, having it adjust down. It was fine. If it would have been any more, I would have avoided the transaction just because I don't want to give up too much of that value of my reward. It kind of makes it pointless, but I was okay with this. I ended up paying like $14.50 out of pocket in extra bucks, and then cash I ended up paying after my payment like $5.50. So in total, it was $20 out of pocket between extra bucks and cash. Got back my $10 extra buck for spending $30, making this transaction just about $10. Okay, then I used that $10 extra buck to roll into my rolling extra buck scenario, starting with the Conair. I got the hairdryer for $14.99, used my $10 extra buck, paid just like $4.99 plus tax, and then got back my $10 extra buck, making it a net cost of $4.99. Okay, next I rolled that $10 extra buck into the Palmolive and the Avatara masks. My $1.50 coupon came off. I used that $10 extra buck, paid $1.66 out of pocket. So it was $11.66 in total out of pocket, and then got back $5 in extra bucks, making it a final net cost of just about $6. Okay, and finally, I rolled that $5 in extra bucks into my buy one, get one free total home parchment paper and the tape deal. So I used my $5 in extra bucks, paid 78 cents out of pocket. So this was a net cost of $5.78 since I didn't get any extra bucks back, but I definitely was happy ending my rolling extra bucks scenario, getting some buy one, get one free items because it's such a good value for your money. I will be posting this rolling extra bucks short form video hopefully tomorrow. So look out for that. Make sure you're also following me on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook where I post short form along with here on YouTube Shorts. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll be back next week for a new week of ad deals video. And make sure to check out Ana Luisa's Black Friday sale. I'll have it linked in the description box down below and in the pinned comment.